Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion, the all-in-one productivity app for customer feedback management. The first step is to create a new board for customer feedback. To do this, open Notion and select New Page. Then, choose Board. Give it a name like Customer Feedback. This is where you'll track and manage all the feedback you receive. The reason we do this is to have a centralized place for all customer feedback, making it easier to track and manage. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step, creating columns. These will represent the stages of feedback management, such as received, under review, and resolved. To add a column, click on Add a Group and type the name of the stage. This helps us because it allows us to visually track the progress of each piece of feedback. Next up, let's learn how to add feedback. Each piece of feedback will be added as a card under the Received column. To do this, click on New under the Received column, give it a title, and add the details in the description. You can also assign it to a team member and add deadlines. Adding feedback as cards helps us because it allows us to see all the necessary details at one glance. Now, let me explain why moving cards between columns matters. Once you start working on a piece of feedback, you can drag and drop it to the Under Review column. Once it's resolved, you can move it to the Resolved column. This simple action helps us maintain a clear visual of the workflow and helps to ensure that no feedback gets lost in the shuffle. Finally, it's essential to regularly review and analyze the feedback. This can be done by analyzing the Resolved column and looking for patterns and common issues. The reason we do this is to learn from our customers' feedback and improve our products or services based on their input. And there you have it. That's how you can use Notion for customer feedback management. Remember, the key is to keep your board updated and regularly review and analyze the feedback. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.